Have we started? All right, fantastic. This is our third week together. No, it's our fourth week together. Time flies when you have fun. 5 weeks at East Coast Swing Charleston. This is our first week of Charleston. We're learning side-by-side partner Charleston. As a lead, I'm going to lead with my left. Katie's going to lead with her right. Before we partner up, we're just going to work on the footwork solo. You can throw in some arms if you want to. We use our arms, 1 for expression and 2 for balance, especially when we're by ourselves. 5, this is an 8-count dance. And the pattern is backward, forward, forward, backward, backward, forward, forward, backward, like a box. And with that, we move 4 counts on each leg for a total of 8 counts. And it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick forward, land, kick forward, hinge, kick backward, land. Rock, step, kick forward, land, kick forward, hinge, kick backward, land. Backward, forward, forward and backward, backward, forward, forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to partner up, okay? We're going to be here. Katie's going to have her left hand on my right shoulder. I'm going to have my right hand on her her right waist. And we are going to do that same thing, except now we're going to do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick forward, land, kick forward, hinge, kick backward, land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backward, forward, forward, and backward. Okay? Now, how do we get into that? We're going to start in our East Coast Swing closed position. Again, there's a small V, okay, but neither of our shoulders are over-rotated. Our shoulders and our faces are still facing one another, okay? But we have a slight V, and we're going to go triple step, a rock step. Okay, this is our basic East Coast Swing. And on the 1, 2, I'm going to grab for her hip bone, and I'm going to pull her over on the 5, 6 in East Coast Swing, which turns into the 1, 2 in Charleston. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it from a different angle as well. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Triple step, triple step. Here we go. Going for the hip bone on 1, 2. Pull her over on that 5, 6, which becomes the 1, 2 in Charleston. I'll do it from one more angle. Okay. Triple step, a rock step. Okay, hip bone, pull her over into Charleston. And that is your week 4 Charleston tutorial.